Have you ever heard of a waterfall under the ocean? It sounds like something out of a fantasy movie, but it's a real phenomenon you can see off the coast of Mauritius. From the sky, it looks absolutely breathtaking, like a giant drain has opened up on the seafloor, pulling the entire ocean down into a massive abyss. But don't worry, the island isn't about to get sucked into a vortex. This incredible sight is actually a spectacular optical illusion. What you really seeing is sand and silt from the shore being carried by ocean currents and cascading down into a deep underwater trench. It's a powerful flow that perfectly mimics a waterfall. This just goes to show you how amazing and tricky our planet can be. What an incredible sight, right? Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more amazing wonders of the world.